Hi guys, this is my old PC. I say old, it's an i5. So I've got to upgrade it with a new graphics card to play the games I want to play on it. And unfortunately it's also going to be a new power supply looking at inside it. I'll show you what I mean in a minute. This is what I'm going to upgrade it with. A INEO 3D GeForce GTX 1080 and a RM 1000X Corsair power supply. So this is the inside of my PC. It's got a 450 watt power supply looking at it, and an old graphics card, which is a 2 GB graphics card. And because it hasn't got the SATA power requirements that I need for the new graphics card, I'm going to have to take it out. So I'll just whip out the power supply and I'll show you it's done. So I'm going to take this power supply out now, and then I'm going to take the graphics card out. Taking the 4-pin out of the board there. It's a bit of a closer look. So I've taken the 4-pin out of the board there, which is here, and I'm going to take out the mains power supply piece. Okay, so that's out as well. Then I'm going to undo that, and then I'm going to undo that. So I've taken the power supply out now, and the next stage is going to be the graphics card, which I've got to undo from the back here. Okay, I'll put you on pause. There's a graphics card. Let that goes. That now needs to go into anti-static bag. Right, here is the INEO 3D card, which I've already attached to a cable to it. It doesn't come with a cable. So here's the INEO 3D card, which I'm going to put in. And then I'm going to have to plug it all in, get the power supply in, and plug it all together. So there we have it, that graphics card is now firmly installed. Next is going to be the power supply. This is the RM1000X, sorry, and here we have all the pins in configuration for it. So to plug this in, you get one end of the cables like that, and that end of the cable goes into the motherboard. So plug this into the power supply. So there we have it connected into the main board. the 24 pin ATX point. So next I'm going to put it inside the computer and plug in all the peripherals. I'm going to have to plug in a SATA cable because it needs SATA, which for the points of DVD-ROM drive and hard drive, so you need that in as well. And that for me is all I require at the moment. I do think I need one more cable as that happens, actually, which is going to be the one to go to the main board near the CPU, which is that 4-pin there. So I'm going to have a look around for that, and I'm going to then have a look about putting it in. So I need to get that one for that one there. So there's the other cable I was looking for, which is a Type 4 CPU cable, which is one you can split in half to put into the board. Next stage is to put it in. Easier said than done. I don't think it fits. There we are. See. Okay, that is it in. I'm now going to get it connected up to the board, and I'm going to pair it on and get it all up and running and see how it works. Right, here we have it. It's all plugged in. Don't forget that one cable needs to be split, so it's one with a CPU on it. You can only put it in one way anyway, because it's got square ends on it, and that one's got round ends on it. Okay, so I put the CPU one in, got the two SATAs there and there, mains board one, which is there, and the graphics card, which has got the extra power bit there onto it. So I should be ready to power it up, which I'm going to do and see how it goes. Right, so I'm going to put the lid back on now, and we'll see how this gets on. Right, so it is all connected back together. My Corsair RX MR RM, I should say, 1000X power supply, and my new graphics card. Let's see how it goes. Right, and here we go. Okay, it sounds good. Right, it's all going well. So there we are. That's how you set up a new graphics card and a new power supply. With the older power supplies, you can't put new graphics cards in of 1080 series because it needs the extra power to the top of the card. So you have to put a new power supply in that allows you to do that. Okay. Alright then. Thank you for watching, and I hope you get on well.